Hello everyone, today I'm going to be unboxing and taking a first look at the Dyson Omniglide and the Dyson Omniglide dock. I've done a video previously on the Dyson Omniglide Plus, so this is basically the same machine in a different colour scheme and with less tools. So if you want to see a review and demonstration of the Omniglide, you'll find that on my channel. I'm just going to be unboxing this, having a look and assembling the dock. So without any further ado, I'm going to take the machine out of the box, we'll have a look at it, I'll put it on charge and then we'll assemble the dock. Inside the box we get the Dyson omnidirectional fluffy cleaner head with two rotating soft rollers. These slide out for cleaning and Dyson recommend you only clean these in cold water only, no detergent. Then we have the combination crevice and dusting tool. So you can use it like this for your nooks and crannies down the sides of your chairs, in your car, etc. But if you want a soft dusting brush, you just press the button and it slides to the end, clicks into place, and then you can dust lampshades, bookshelves, Venetian blinds, etc. And then if you want to remove it entirely, you can do, so you can actually get down a little bit further down the sides of your sofa for those biscuit crumbs. Then we get a single extension wand. This is the mini motorized tool, and in my previous demonstration I found this very good for pet hair. It's excellent on stairs, upholstery, and you can use it of course inside your car and on your mattress as well. The brush stays fairly clean. In my previous test I did pick up a lot of dog hair and the dog hair didn't wrap around the brush roll, but if you get anything trapped around there you can easily remove it. Get a coin, twist that end cap and you can remove the brush roll for easy cleaning. This is the charger and dock that you can fit to the wall, but of course I won't be because I got the freestanding dock included with this, and I'll be showing the assembly of that shortly in the video. You do get all the necessary fixings for this, including a pencil to mark the holes and some self-adhesive pads, plus a separate guide to show you how to mount the dock on the wall. You also get a few pages of compliance and safety instructions, but you don't get an instruction book at all with this machine. With my previous one, I did get a quick start guide. You can look at all the guides on Dyson's website, and if you want the full instruction, you can view it there, and you can even print it out if you want to. This is the cleaner itself, and it looks very much like the Dyson Omniglide that I've previously featured on my channel, apart from of course the colour. The previous one I showed you was gold, but Dyson have added something that I did mention. Obviously it's nothing to do with me because that video went out after this was launched, but they've put a little strip on the back of the handle. It's a sort of a non-slip strip, so it makes it a little bit easier to handle. I would have preferred a larger textured rubber piece, but I mean that's better than nothing, so it does give you slightly better grip with this later version. The battery is located in the handle. There is a tiny blue light that flashes when the machine is charging, but it also flashes when you're running out of battery charge when you're using the machine, but it's very hard to notice because it is very small, so you just have to be aware of that. This will have a maximum runtime of 20 minutes. I assume that's on low power using a non-powered accessory. But I found using the previous version, I had more than enough charge to do the jobs I wanted to. Clean the stairs, whip round the hard floors of the home, do the upholstery, charge it after each use. And the battery does come out, and you can buy additional batteries and an additional charger if you want to. Slots out here, and I'll show you the different ways you can charge the machine. Pops in. This is the filter. Dyson recommend once a month filter cleaning for this. You just turn it to the open position, slide it off, and that filter can be washed again in just cold water. Give it a good shake, leave it to dry, don't put it over direct heat, just leave it to dry and put it back in the machine about 24 hours until it's thoroughly dry. Never attempt to put a slightly damp filter in your machine. It won't do any good if water gets into the motor or any of the components. So that just fits on there. The bin capacity is small. You will have to empty it after each use. To empty, there's a red button on the back. You just press that and then pull down. You can see the flap opens and the debris should come out, although I found in my demonstration that some debris, especially pet hair, can remain around here, so you might have to give it a shake over the bin. If you've still got debris stuck in there, you can remove the bin entirely, like so, and the bin is washable as well. You can give that a rinse under running water too. And Dyson say don't use detergent, but just between you and me, I have used in the past a mild detergent, just, you know, like a washing up liquid, nothing too harsh, and just give it a good clean with that. Rinse it, and then again make sure it's dry before putting it back into the machine. Goes in like that. We should be able to just close it off. And there you get impromptu switching on of the machine. What I like about this Dyson is it's permanently on. There's no trigger. You've just got here an on-off button and also a max button. I've very seldom needed the max button, but it's there if you want it for increased suction. And that's about all there is to the machine. Of course, you can put any of the tools directly on, and in this mode I found this fantastic for cleaning stairs and bedding and upholstery, and of course inside the car, because it's quite slim. It gets under areas where some of the bulkier Dysons might not go. You can buy additional optional tools for this. I have seen a miniature hose for this, just a very small stretch hose, which is useful, and there's some other tools including these two tools. These actually came with my Omniglide Plus. This is your worktop or hard surface tool, and this is the light pipe. I'll just show you it just in case you want to buy one as an optional extra. It's basically a lighted crevice tool. It shows up better in a dark area, which is good if you're cleaning out the back of your wardrobe, inside drawers, just dark corners of your room. The additional light makes it very easy to see all the dust. When cleaning hard floors, you obviously need to attach the wand, which just clicks in securely like that. Press the red button to release the wand. Any of the accessories will fit, so if you've got a small area of carpet to clean, you can put the mini motorized tool onto the end of the wand. It wouldn't be suitable for cleaning larger areas of carpet, but just small areas or doormats, things like that. And you can see the brush rotates. But it's a shame, at the time of making this video, Dyson don't offer an optional carpet head a bit wider. It would have been nice, but this is primarily for hard floors and above floor cleaning. But of course, if you want to reach up high for the cobwebs, you can fit the crevice tool onto the end as well. Pop out the dusting brush, and you can just get into the corners of your rooms. So very good. As I said, if you want to see a full demo of the Omniglide, you'll find that video on my channel. So now, because this comes with the dock, and this was free with my purchase at the time I bought this machine, and this is what encouraged me to get it. It was on offer, but it also came with this. So we'll get the dock assembled, and then I'll place the Dyson Omniglide on the dock, and then I'll have to charge it up before first use. You can charge the Dyson Omniglide in a number of ways. Your first option is to attach the charging cradle to the wall, and of course you do get the fixtures and fittings and full instructions inside the box. So once that's on the wall, the machine will dock with the charger. You have to have the wand and the head attached because it doesn't hang on the wall, it actually stands up, it's freestanding, it leans slightly and will dock with the charger. So you have to make sure that that is at the correct height. You can also charge the Omniglide directly without the cradle. So to remove the cord from the cradle, you first need to take off the clear back and then remove the cord. Dyson's online video showing you how to remove the plug from the cradle makes it look easy, but it's quite fiddly. I haven't filmed it because I didn't want to swear on my channel. I tried a screwdriver, but I was causing a little bit of damage. So you need strong nails for this, but there is a little, I've partly done it, there's a little button there, a catch. You need to press that back and at the same time push the plug through the other side, and eventually it should loosen I thought I'd partly done it for you, but it still doesn't want to come out. Nearly there. Most people will leave it in the cradle anyway, but I need to remove this because I'm going to be using the dock, the freestanding dock. There we go. It's finally out. Once you've released the cable, you can plug it directly into the Dyson via this port here. And the other way you can charge the battery is to remove it and charge it directly like this. So here's the dock. You do get full assembly instructions as well. The dock does not come with the charger. A lot of people have complained that their docks didn't have a charger, but you're supposed to use the charger that came with your Dyson. If you've lost your charger, you can of course buy one direct from Dyson's website. The first two pieces you'll need for assembly are the curved plastic top and the charging cradle. Take this end of the charging cable and feed it through the hole here. You'll notice this part moves up and down, so with your thumb just move it up, hold it in place while you put the plug through. You might find it a bit tricky, but there you go, that's in. Next, take the charging cable and insert it into the hole at the back of the cradle. Just push it in. You'll need to push it right in until it locates under the tab here. Then take the cable and slot it into the grooves like so. Just push it firmly in. And with the connector at the bottom, insert it into the top of the dock. It should click into position. And then take the lead, you see this little ball here, that should plug in. There's a little hole for it. And you can partially feed the cable through the slot at the back of the dock. The next step is to attach the lower part of the dock to the base, and you'll notice that the base has a protective plastic cover. It doesn't matter which way you put this metal part in, as long as the groove is facing towards the back. Simply slot into the base until it clicks into position. Again, with the groove at the back, insert the plastic part into the metal part like so. Press it down until it clicks. Next, we need to fit the two accessory holders to the side of the dock. With the accessory holder this way up, simply slide onto the bracket here and repeat for the other side. And finally, take the rest of the cable and push it into the slot at the back of the dock. You can now fit the two included tools and up to two optional tools onto the storage slots. Any powered accessory fits on the bottom. And finally, you can now store and charge the Dyson Omniglide on the freestanding dock. So that's the end of today's video on the Dyson Omniglide and freestanding dock. If you have any comments or questions about the cleaner or the dock, please comment below. And if you want to see the machine in action, check out my separate video where I unbox and demonstrate the Omniglide Plus. So until the next time, thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you all very soon for the next video. Bye for now.